Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I removed color and went from purple to this blonde. So first off, as you can see, I have a pot of boiling water and it's like super hot. So once it gets to a boiling point, I'm just going to add some baking soda to it, and then I'm going to add some dishwashing detergent to it, and I'm going to just let that mix up together. Okay, so this is the purple wig that I was just showing you. And I did dye this purple with Adore hair color. So what the hot water, and all the ingredients is doing is just removing the color. So that's why I keep dipping it in the water. And if you try this with your bundles or your wig or whatever, like, it's super easy. You just want to make sure that you not putting your hand in the hot water. That's why I'm using my little elastic band on my wig. So as you can see, that's how the purple was coming out. Now I did this process twice. So I boiled hot water twice, and this is the second time. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this hair felt really horrible after I did that little treatment. So I went to the store and got this color, and it's by Cream of Nature, and it's the lightest blonde. And so I'm gonna mix part 1 and 2. I think it comes with like 4 parts, and they also have like a color white booster, to make it even blonder, but I didn't use that. So I'm just gonna add the color, as you can see, using gloves, and I'm gonna add it to the root also. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this hair. This hair is Malaysian Natural Wave. I did do the tutorial on this hair. I did several tutorials on this hair, but I got it from All Virgin Hair Boutique. If you want to see how I got the purple in the first place, I will list that below. But so this is like probably the third time with me changing the color, and it's still holding up pretty well. Like I said, it's natural wave. I did notice that it lost a little bit of curl, but not much. But I wasn't planning on wearing it in its natural state anyways. So now I'm at the top, and I'm just gonna take little sections, and I'm gonna apply the color to the closure and do the same thing basically. Just make sure it's all saturated well. So once I'm done applying color to the whole wig, I just use the rest of it to just, put it wherever I feel that it needs, basically to fill in. I did get 2 boxes of this hair color, and I did not use, well, I did not need all 2 boxes, but, I still use it just to make sure all the hair was saturated. So I ended up letting it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. And yeah, it came out really nice and pretty, and this is how I styled it. If you would like to see how I style this, I will definitely list part 2 below. Thank you guys so much for watching.